Good morning. It's your morning makeover. It's time to wake up and make up. Hope everybody's doing well this morning. I am rushing like usual, but I just wanted to get on here because I did promise you guys that I was going to be giving away some gifts for Christmas. So we're going to do, instead of 12 days of Christmas, we're going to do 10 days of Christmas because there's only 10 days left. Ow! That's a scary thought. So today I'm not going to do much makeup. I'm just going to kind of do my morning routine, but I'm not going to do eyeshadow and all that good stuff because I got to get out of here and I wanted to spend the time talking to you guys about this giveaway. So every day I'm going to give away something. Today, I wanted to start off with a bang. So I'm going to give away one of these. Let me show you what it is. I'm going to give away one of these to one lucky winner. So here's what it is. It's a lip and cheek palette. This is a highlighter, which is super, super beautiful. Let me show you what it is. Everything is like super, super cream based. So it looks natural. Can't see it on there, but let me see. I can put it on my lips. See, it's like a highlighter. You can put it on your eyebrows. And then these are all lips. You can use them on your lips or on your cheeks. I'll teach you how to use that. Maybe I'll put it on today. But anywho, I wanted to, that's what I'm going to give away today. So every day I'm going to give away something fun. So make sure that you're tagging all of your friends on this video and sharing this video. Because tonight at 9 p.m., that's usually when I'm settled at home, I will be giving away this. This is a brand new one just for you. So every day I'm going to give away something. All right? Sounds like fun? Cool. So this is what you got to do. You ready? To qualify. I'm sorry. I'm so still trying to get over this crazy cold. And now I just have the cough left. That's what's happening. Hey, Veronica. Hey, Abby. Hey, Adi. What's going on? So, thank you for watching, guys. So, I get a lot of compliments on this foundation that I use every day. So, one of the days, it will be one of these foundations. So, you can get started right away by watching my video every morning. You can watch the replay as well. You have till 9 o'clock at night. So I'm giving you 12 hours. Normally I do my videos around 9, 8:30, 9 o'clock. So this is what you have to do. You're going to go to YouTube and you're going to follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Makeover Mogul. As soon as you subscribe, it's going to send me an email telling me that you did. So that's number one. Number two, you're going to go to my Instagram, Makeover Mogul. You're going to follow me. And then you're going to tag 5 of your friends on that post. Any post. Pick any post. So on the post, I want you to say Merry Christmas because that will be the signal that you are going for the free gift. So you're going to, any post on Instagram, Makeover Mogul, put Merry Christmas and tag 5 friends. That's it. Right? And then I'm going to put the link down in this video right here. And you are going to, hold on a minute, sorry. You hear my cough? Oh, it's so bad. So you're going to, I'm going to put my link to my Motives website so you can check out all of everything that we have to offer because it's just a beautiful website. But you're going to register on that website. It's free. Then nothing's going to happen. You just register. Click on register. I'm going to send you the link so you're registering on the right link. Make sure it has my name, Emily Mahan, on there. And then that's going to send me an email and tell me that you registered. Now, if you bought makeup from me before or skincare or nutrition or anything like that before, then you're already registered. So what you're going to do is you're going to register somebody else. Register a friend, a family member, it doesn't matter. You're going to register someone. And then after you register them, it's going to send me an email. So make sure that you send me a message on Messenger with that person's name so I know that that person was the person that you had registered so that you can win the prize. All right, so you guys have until 9 o'clock tonight, and then I will reveal in the morning who won the prize for that day. Once you've done that, what did I just do? Okay, that's highlighter. Once you've done that, then you'll win, and then I mail it to you. Simple, easy. Cool? So those are 3 things that you gotta do. Easy peasy. My YouTube, go there and subscribe. My Instagram, follow, say Merry Christmas, tag 5 friends so that they can follow as well. You want to tell them, follow this girl. That's what I want you guys to do. That's what I'm trying to do. And the last one would be to register on my site. That's it. And then you have to register on my site in order for me to mail you the palette. I can't mail it to you if I don't have your address, right? So the safest way, so I'm not collecting people's addresses, just to go on my site and register. Then I just look up your name and the address is already there. I'm looking for my eyebrows. Here we go. Hi guys. Hi Grace. Hi Carmen. Thanks for watching. So that's pretty much it. I'm really excited. I also wanted to come on here and ask you guys for some prayers and support. I mean, everything's okay. It's just that one of my brothers got into a motorcycle accident, but he's good. Thank the Lord Jesus from up above. That's all we would need right now. But anyway, he's laid up in the hospital now. And not for nothing, I have to say, when I was young, I liked motorcycles. I get it. But once we get older, you know, some things we just got to let go. Like, you know, it's just not safe. People don't respect people anymore like they used to. So it's really, really scary. So that's all I'm doing with my face today. I might put on a lipstick, but I have this on right now, so I'm just going to leave that alone. But I just want to show you real quick what this palette does and how I use it like a blush and a brush. Hold on. Let me get the right. I like these kind of brushes, like a dense brush to use with these. So let's see. I have on gray today. Maybe I'll go into this burgundy. And you can use this as a blush. See, just circle it in. This one's mine. I'm going to give you a new one, I promise. You could use this as a blush. You can also use your fingers. You don't have to use a brush. I just like to use a brush because it goes on more even. Just like that. Yeah, that looks pretty, right? Boom. And then you can use this on your lips. You can use a brush or just your fingers. It's pretty. You can also line it if you want. It's really beautiful, and it's from the new Vision collection. So it's brand new. So that's good to know, because most of these people that, I don't like to talk about other people, but most of these giveaways, they're giving away like old, you know, last season stuff. I want to give you the new stuff, right? So I can't wait to see who's going to win. So I'm going to use this highlighter so you can see what it does now. You can put this highlighter, I like to put highlighter kind of like here. And it's cream based, so it feels really good. This is a great palette for people that, you know, are like that whole natural look. You see how you can see it, but it doesn't look like overdone. I always like to put a little highlighter on my eyebrow lid, or not lid, eyebrow bone, just like that, so the light catches it, you see? Okay, and that's how you use this thing. Of course, I'm gonna do my mascara in the traffic, because that's what we do, right? I'm gonna leave it just like that, because I did like a cream base today, so I'm not gonna put powder and all of that on. I am gonna put on my 10 years younger though, because that keeps my makeup in place. All right, so I am out of here. But remember, I'm trying to give away this to one lucky winner. So hold on a minute. My hands are dirty. It's beautiful. You're going to love it. And it's free. And it's just for you. And all you got to do is just go out there and do those 3 things. Makeover Mogul, YouTube. Makeover Mogul, Instagram. And I'm going to put my link down to my Moda site on this video so that you can register on my site so I can send it to you. And depending on how many people do it, I might have to do like a drawing, or I might just pick the first person that does it and everybody else's names, put them in a drawing for a grand prize at the end. That's a great idea. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. Let me write that down, girl. So grand prize at the end. That's what I'll do. So everybody else will be entered into. So it's the first person that gets it done, gets this palette. And then everybody else's names will go into a grand prize on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve. No, it will be Christmas Day. Maybe the next day because I might be at a party or something. So the next day, day after Christmas, I will announce the grand winner. That's what I'll do. Okay? Day after Christmas. I got to write that down. I got to write everything down in my life. All right. So I am out of here. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the traffic. Make sure that you are on purpose. Be happy today. I'm saying it backwards. Be happy. Make sure that today you are, you choose to be happy on purpose. That's how you say it. Keep my brother in your prayers. He's fine, thank you, thank God. But, you know, he's got a long road to recovery. So keep him in your prayers. I appreciate that very much. And don't forget to make over your mind, body, and soul so you can continue to grow. All right? Love you guys. Have a good day.